Hello everyone, welcome to justlaravel.com. I'm back with another video. This and the demo video. Here in this video I'm going to demo you this application. This is Stripe payment gateway. I have implemented Stripe payment gateway in Laravel, so we'll use that here. And here is the demo video, so I'll click this demo and I will show you how it works. You can give any name here, any test name here, and these are all the card numbers. You can give any of these card numbers. I will give the first one, that is 4242, 4242, 4242 and 4242. There should be total of 16 digits here, and I'll give 123. Expiry month should be any valid month. I'll give 10, and year should be which is greater than current year. I'll give 2020. So to test the errors, I'll give some 2000 so that we can see the errors. So you can see card expiration year is invalid. Even if you give expiration date like a card number like this thing, it also says the card number is incorrect, so all the validations are intact. So we'll give this 2020 here, so that we'll pay now. So it's going to the Stripe, and you can see this payment done successfully, this message here. So now we'll go to this Stripe dashboard. I have already logged into the dashboard. I'll click payments. It's loading. You can see 327, and the current the date is also 15/27. This is the latest payment. You can click here and see. You can see this all the data. You can see this this is the expiry date we have entered, 10/20/20, and this is the card number 4242 ended with. So this is the demo of the application. So soon I will make a working soon I will make how to implement this, installing these packages with Laravel and all. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos from justlaravel.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel, watch another video, and visit our webpage.